As we are witnessing a rise in the number of COVID cases all over India, the possibility of another lockdown cannot be ruled out. I believe we cannot afford another lockdown, but what we can do is we can defeat the virus together with our combined efforts. Last year, when the virus made its presence felt in India, there was a genuine fear among people. But this year, the fear seems to have gone for a toss. We all need to understand that the second wave looks more concerning as the rate of transmission is far, far greater than what we had witnessed last year. Coming back to the topic, I recently revisited the 2019 Malayalam movie Virus, directed by Asik Abbu. I had seen it for the first time during the lockdown last year, and now it seems there could not have been a better time than now to revisit this masterpiece work of Malayalam industry. I reiterate it again that it is the best regional movie industry that we have in our country. It's a clear winner among all when it comes to storytelling. So, the movie is based on true events. It captures the survival tale of people when Nipah virus outbreaks in two districts of Kerala. The movie throws light upon every topic that we can possibly think of during such difficult times: medical staff going on strike, shortage of ventilators, efforts of the administration to track all those probable people who might have contracted the virus, tussle between the center and the state, sensitive topics such as religious beliefs regarding the cremation of the dead. It's all in there. What appeals to me most is the tone of the movie. It stays true to the plot, which is an essence of Malayalam cinema. For example, there is a scene in the movie where Tobino Thomas, who plays the district collector, chooses goodwill over his authority to tackle a situation. It gives us a hint of how this story has been beautifully crafted and kept as human as possible. Nothing is over the top. Every aspect of the movie is flawless: the writing, the editing, the camera work, the background score. It's a multi-starrer movie and every character is brilliant. Revati, Parvati Tirvotu, Tobino Thomas, Srinath Vasti, Konchakku, Boban, Madonna Sebastian, Dilis Pothan, Joju George, Purnima Indrajit, Indrajit Sukumaran. It feels good to see so many stars come together for a project, and I believe they were least bothered about their screen time in the movie when they signed up for this project. They just wanted to deliver a movie worth watching. My favorite among the lot is Saubin Sahir, who, despite a limited screen time, is simply outstanding. My suggestion to you is that you take some time out and watch this movie as soon as possible. Of course, you can thank me later.